The Vader.
The Vader.
F150, yeah. 50, yeah. I'm F150, yeah. 50, yeah.
The Vader.
F150, yeah. 50, yeah. Instagram, the Vader. F150, yeah. 50, yeah. We F150, yeah. 50, yeah. F150, yeah. 50, yeah. Go Instagram at the Vader 150. Yeah, dig. What's good, y'all? Like, comment, subscribe to the Vader. Instagram at the Vader F150. I'm gonna show y'all a little walk around my upgrades. First thing is the Raptor grill. I'll put the links in the script. 6-inch lift, rough country lift kit. Tires are 35 by 12, Sure Track wide climber. I got the mirror cover skull cap, glossy black. I got the Husky liners in, coming soon. These caps, I had a little weather damage, as you can see. From the previous owner. And these caps came right in handy. I got my Vader stickers. I haven't put my Husky liners in, but I don't like, I got the Husky liners because I don't like seeing that. I know some people do, but I don't. I just want that all to be black. Got the trunk cargo net. STX, I'm gonna take them off soon. The 50 caliber bullet antenna. And one thing I did, I put on these F150 decals. I don't like them. I'm gonna find somebody to drip them in black. And then next time you see it, I'll have my headlights in. So all around Raptor grill front, 6-inch rough country lift kit. 22's HD Lux matte black. The gloss lip. Mirror cover skull cap glossy black. Eco Beast decal emblem overlays. Oval Ford overlay. Eco Boost overlay. My truck's dirty as hell. I was gonna clean it up, but had to get this video in. Stay tuned. Center console armrest storage box for my interior. And I'll show you guys on the next video the Super Crew floor mats, custom luxury floor liner auto mats. And I got these door handle cover gloss. Like the original was weather beaten, so I like that shiny dark Vader black.